If I ever took a loss, I learned a lesson. I won't ever think I'm better than the next man. I've been down before to come up, I ain't stressing. Baby, I'm too busy counting all these blessings.
What's up, you guys? So today is Saturday. Obviously today's our 6th day doing this diet. Here and pack early because we only have like 2 more months before we have to find another place. Well, we're
found a place.
Yeah, and basically that's gonna be like a house tour and everything for you guys. So don't worry, you get to see it. But we're packing early. Look at her in my face. We're packing early so that we don't have to do it last minute. Spending our Saturday today cleaning and doing other things. We're not really hungry right now. We're probably gonna eat breakfast like later. Nasty. Alright, y'all. We'll bring you guys and we'll be back. What's up, guys? So we actually are gonna be on the road. Why did she get behind you? We're gonna go ahead and be on the road to getting a lot of things resolved today. So we have to actually go to Home Depot, get some boxes, because like I told y'all, we're packing ahead of time and we have a trip that we're taking on May 26th. So before that trip, we want to be able to have everything kind of settled. So we're gonna go to the fresh market to get fresh fruits, and we also got to get a couple other things, cases of water and stuff like that for the week. We're also gonna go ahead and take the dogs to the park when they act right, and that's it pretty much. That's gonna be our Saturday. What's up, guys? So we're actually arriving. I don't know if y'all can see. Boom. So this is where you get all your fresh fruit. It's pretty, actually.
Yeah. Oh, well.
Here you go. So we're about to go park and then we'll show you guys inside.
Look at these lemons, y'all. Make some good ass lemonade with these.
Damn, this one extra big.
Yeah, we're gonna get some good stuff in here.
Alright, 5 for 3. These are 5 for 3, y'all.
I don't know what this shit is. I don't know what kind of meat this is, but I don't. What kind of meat is it? That look like pork chop, right? What that look like?
No.
What is that?
This is chicken steak. These are good.
Chicken steak.
Yeah, it's really
I've never heard of this. I never heard of this. You want to say what's up to the vlog?
So you guys, so for our breakfast, I got the skinny omelet with fruit, with a side of fruit, and Jas got bacon, like a breakfast chorizo, and turkey sausage and fruit. So that's all we're having, and we'll see you guys when we get our food. We just got our breakfast, guys. So I have fruit and my omelet, and then there's bacon, chorizo. You missed your fruit. Where's your fruit?
Sorry,
Finished everything, and Jazz is doing her. Alright guys, so we're back in the car. We're actually heading home because we have the food in the back. We're probably gonna get the boxes. We have a Home Depot close to our house, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, so after we put our food away, we're gonna go to Home Depot and then get the boxes because our food is back there. I don't want it to go bad. Alright, look at this one. Really? We're gonna need a few. Heavy, small, heavy, small. Need some big ones. They're not small.
So small.
Are you videoing your shop?
Vlog. Our vlog. So y'all made it on the vlogs.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Were we arguing?
No, y'all wasn't.
Oh, here they go, Jazz.
Hello?
Oh, the large. Yeah, yeah. Small, medium, large.
The Home Depot, and we're buying moving boxes.
So, how
Wait,
many?
why are they attached?
I mean, you can grab those.
No,
it's the
it's not
same.
snowing here. Mine's
They just
snowing at
pulled them out themselves. I guess.
home. Really?
Yeah. Look at Kat. She's like a little mouse trying to get.
You need that many?
Right. You don't need that.
Cart?
You don't need that many.
Bring a cart over there.
Right.
Okay.
I'll be. She told me I have a card.
It might fit.
This one is already open? So this one is this one?
No.
No.
That one is over there.
Oh,
See?
okay.
It lifts up.
Mm-hmm.
I'm here.
I don't know.
Oh, why?
Them the ones I got last time. They're fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I got these last time. Never thought we'll be.
You didn't tell me.
It went by quick, huh? Wow. She's about to break your back. We need this many.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4,
Oh, that's hideous.
5.
7.
Oh yeah. We need this many.
Yeah, we need 7.
All right, if you hold this, I can put them up. If you know Kat.
So that's what we're getting, guys, because we have to pack up our whole house. Well, it's not really that big. It's an apartment. Bye, you guys.
Bye-bye.
All right, so
Thank you. Yeah.
I will.
Because when you get all the boxes in one room, you're going to go, where was the can opener?
So we should mark kitchen, bathroom, room.
Red tape, blue tape, purple tape,
Smart.
green tape.
She's smart.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not kidding, on the corners.
I don't blame her.
Make
So
sure
we
you
know
double
exactly
tape the
where
bottom.
everything is at.
Don't
Double
make it
tape
too
the
heavy.
bottom. We need tape.
Yeah, Mom, I told you don't make it too heavy.
Don't
Okay.
make it too heavy.
You're great help. Thank you.
Okay.
She remind me of your mom. Well, basically, guys, we have a lot of work to do, and I don't want to do it. I'm procrastinating. Catherine already started what she was doing, but look at this. Then we got the boxes here. You saw us buy those at Home Depot. So, guess we gotta get to work now.
What's up, you guys? So we're back, and we've been cleaning. I look a mess because I had to take a sunrise shower. I was just sweating so much. Still a lot to do, but I'll show you guys the boxes we have accomplished throughout the whole time. So here's our closet. And then here's basically the boxes. So that's that. And we still have a lot. I mean, we still have some boxes that we have to do, and this is trash, as well as all this and some kitchen stuff. Well, you guys know, if you can read the diet, that today we're supposed to have fruit for lunch. This is our fruit. Just oranges and a banana. Not really much to it. And tonight we're planning on having salad. Of course, Jazz is gonna have, I believe, like a chicken salad with a little bit of turkey that we have bought. This is what if turkey breast. So we're gonna do that. What?
No.
And then I'll put that on the vlog. Other than that, I'm just tired, y'all. I'm ready to like just eat this and just chill, and then we'll do the rest. It's a lot to clean and basically to get in the mood of moving. You get what I'm saying? You're never in a mood, but it's just a lot.
At least we getting that out the way.
Yeah, and we're doing early.
And we got a trip to go on, so.
Yeah, in May we have a trip to go to. So.
This is May.
Right. By the end of the month, on May 26th, we have a little trip, which I'm super excited. I haven't seen my parents in over a year and some change. So we're going down there to see my parents. That should be super, super fun. And then, of course, we want to get some of this stuff out of the way. We don't want to come back and have to deal with all that. So, yeah. Anyway, so you guys seen our lunch.
We missed lunch, to be honest.
Yeah.